evidence we have before us, I think it is fair assessment to say that higher education at this moment in history seems to be in great peril. Let me explain. Now, we are all painfully aware of what happened in Israel on October 7, 2023. The terrorist attacks unleashed rightfully brought worldwide horror and rebuke. But what happened on American colleges' campuses, with the exception of ones like this one, was frankly alarming. We saw a dangerous cocktail of legitimate, hear me, legitimate protected speech and protests turn into something that is not speech at all. It became threats, anger, rage, and actual violence. More than a dozen lawsuits have been filed in this country since January. More than a dozen. I think it's more like 24 for Title VI and civil rights violations with respect to what happened on our college campuses during the fall and into the early part of this year. Folks, this cannot be our future, litigating our way against each other. That can't be where we're headed, but that's where we're headed.